Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jazelle. If you guys are new, I am a mother of one and content creator, business owner. Today I am doing a beautiful review over this lovely wig from Hot Beauty Wigs, or Hot Beauty Hair, sorry. Y'all, can we just get into it? Like sis, like come on now, look at this. It's giving Beyonce. It's giving, baby, I have ascended to the next level. It's giving wealth. Like, look at this wig, y'all. I literally am so in love with this wig that Hot Beauty Hair has sent me. Baby, I ain't got no complaints. That's all I'm saying. I don't got no complaints. Like, literally, this hair, the texture of it is so soft, so freaking beautiful. The color is gorgeous. The highlights are gorgeous. Everything about this hair is literally to die for. And baby, it's super affordable. Okay. So yeah, basically my hair is from Hot Beauty Hair. I'm going to be showing you guys the installation process, which I did get my hair installed by Jamor Wigs and Jasmine Amore, my hairstylist who lives in Atlanta, but she flies out to Dallas every so often. And every time she flies out here, I make sure I get my hair done, okay? Because baby, her hands are blessed. So if you were in the Atlanta area, Atlanta, Georgia, you definitely should out my girl Jazz. I'll make sure to put her information down in the link below so you guys can go ahead and get hooked up and get blessed, baby. Because baby, she literally, she knows how to slay a wig. It's giving grown and sexy.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other than me, and only you. Every time with what you go, I wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, yeah, trying to be down.
Yo, hear me out. Everybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, speak things, rupees. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those on me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with this squeeze, silicon and real bless. Can I do a breeze for the head of the penis? Seamless breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out.
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind
lads are nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, speakings, groupings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Those on me rocking at the fucking realest. G-ching-ching. Inna the Louis Vives, girl want with this squeeze silicone and real bless. And I do a breeze for the head of the penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out,
I would like to get to know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, then it becomes so true. There ain't no other than me, and only you. Wanna be down with what you go. Wanna be down. I wanna be down. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, yeah. Wanna be down. Wanna be down.
Okay guys, so now that you've seen the installation process, I did want to go ahead and show you guys what Hot Beauty provides in their packaging whenever they do go ahead, whenever they do send out wigs to you. So first of all, it comes in this beautiful blue box, and they provide you with so many different things. For one, they provide really good packaging when it comes to what the wig comes in. It comes in this really cute blue little bag, which is super cute. And then also they provide a little like kit for your hair. So it comes with little clips. They provide a baby hair brush and a little comb, and then they have tweezers in here, and they also have bobby pins. So, and they also give you wig cap. I couldn't talk for a second, but they also provide you with the wig cap as well. You guys, if I could rate this wig, I probably would rate it I'd say a 9. A 9 is actually not bad, you know what I mean? For something that's very affordable, like I rated a 9 because it's not like, you know, like mink hair, but this is damn near close to it, baby. It feels so good. It's so soft. The texture of it is literally amazing. I could run my fingers through it without a problem. I curled this hair and look how bouncy it is. Like the curls are still there. Like this is some good hair, okay? This is some good hair, because you know sometimes when you get hair, like the hair doesn't really curl that well, or it just doesn't really flow. You can't run your fingers through it as well. The texture isn't soft. It's just so many things when it comes to wigs, and I just keep running my fingers through my hair because like literally it feels so good. It kind of feels good. It feels soothing when I run my fingers through my hair. But yes, this is the hair straightened whenever I did get it installed. As you guys seen, it was, I mean, this is the hair curled. Whenever I did get my hair installed, it was straightened as seen in the clips. But if you guys like videos like this, which I know I make a whole bunch of videos like this, but I had to take some time off of YouTube because I was just going through a lot, and now I feel like I've restored my energy to a certain extent that I feel more comfortable being on YouTube and talking to you guys now. So if you guys like videos like this, make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because it only helps me. I mean, it helps me, it helps you. You'll be able to see whenever I post videos, and yeah, we can stay connected. If you like this video, make sure you leave a comment, you know, say something nice. Happy Friday. It's Friday right now, so if you guys are excited about the weekend, this video will probably be posted by like either this weekend or probably during the beginning of the week is what I would say. So I hope you guys have a great fresh start to your Monday. I hope your day goes as planned. I hope your week goes as planned. I hope your month goes as planned. I hope that you are making progress in life, because life is so beautiful. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this video definitely gave you guys an insight of how this wig looks. Super, super cute. And I will make sure to link the wig down below in the description box below, so you guys can connect and get this wig, you know. This is bomb for the summertime, girl, because we out this summer. Hey! Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.